Kaboom. This is what I call a flexi bit. It's got flexes and it's got ends on it that you can pull back and then you hook the next bit on. Okay, so hopefully you can see this. And the trick with this is doing it so you don't get any marks on your floor from the end being greasy, and making sure that you got it hooked together properly. And see, that's almost enough, but the flexi bit system I got came with one length of this and a shorter length, okay? And then I bought the other long length as an extra. So in case I needed more than the long piece and the small piece, I would have it exactly for this. And the trick is to make sure you got it on there, because once I push it up through there, if it pops off, I'm not going to be able to reach it, am I? And see, this is designed, the whole system, this is what it was. Flexible Quick Connect Extension Kit. And this was from Southwire. And it came with a 3/4 inch twist drill bit, and it comes with this thing here. The idea with that is you hook that on the end, and then this, you push on it and it extends out, and you could push the wire in there and then pull it back through if you have to drill it through a hole or something, or whatever. I've never really tried this. I always wrap the wire on there at the end and to make sure I can pull it back and stuff, but comes with the 3/4 inch twist drill bit too. Okay, and you know, if your twist drill bit, I lost one inside a wall one time. I had it clicked on there. I drilled down. I couldn't get it out. Kept pulling on it, and it pulled the other little thing got caught in the wood somehow, and I lost this right in the wall. I couldn't find it. I couldn't reach it and anything. So I got a different one. Now you can only use this whole system for a 3/4 inch twist drill bit. You can't say, well, I'll get a 1 inch or 1 1/4 drill bit, flexi a drill bit for this flexi bit. You can't do that. This stuff is designed to be flexible for a reason, and only up to 3/4 inch. Do you see what I mean? Or you're gonna twist this all out of whack. So you shouldn't do anything different with that. Okay, so now because I have that all together, and you see how I'm going to use that now. I'm going to use that whole long thing right here. I got it all connected. I mean, you could get something like this at the store, something real long, and use. It doesn't have to be three pieces or anything. It could be something entirely different. But now I'm gonna set that back up here, pull this wire back down, and then I'm gonna see if I can't fish it from here. See, I should have a straight shot from here to there, up above or through the insulation, however, and we'll see how it goes. I think I should get it pretty easily. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.